Hello everyone, this is Paula and I'm here today to show you my design team project. And I have to tell you, I forgot the name of this, but I'll link it below, okay? Now, this is, this collection was designed by Tracie and Artie Mays. So they did half and half of the things you'll see in this book. Now, I didn't do a typical journal, but instead, I designed this little guy here on my computer that says Tag Catalog, and I attached it to some cardstock and put it here in the front because that's what this is a tag catalog. Now, I don't know if I'm putting it in my Etsy shop, but if you think you'd be interested, contact me. Because it's not a journal. It is just a beautiful work of art by Artie Mays and Tracie. Okay? Or I should say Andrea from Artie Mays. All right, so what you're seeing here is I've put burlap on the bottom. That's what started on this chipboard I cut out. So I cut out all my chipboard pages and decided where the holes were going to be. And got my 2 rings out. That was perfect size. And went from there. Now, these are tags from the collection. And I'll put the name of the collection in the title just so you will have it. I'm sorry. I have been running circles with the Christmas in July and everything I'm doing, so I apologize. All right, and so on here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tags, okay, on the cover. And I popped and brought them all up on foam tape and then added some of the embellishments from the kit, made it very dimensional, popped the name of this book, the Tag Catalog, up, and then I added butterfly here with a little pearl that's more in the brown tones, tickets and numbers, mushrooms and butterflies. You'll see a lot of that inside this book. Okay, now here we go. This is just a tag standalone here. This has 3 tags on it, okay? And the paper in the background is Tracie Fox's paper. I don't know the name of it because I just have a big stack of it and I just use it as I need it. I keep it on my side shelf. And so I did the same thing. I popped things up, gave them dimension, tried to show different parts of each tag. This is a mushroom tea card that was in the kit. And over here, these labels were on the tag. Each tag is decorated differently. I put a parcel post popped up on there. Over here on this tag that I put in the book, just put a tab on it here on the side. And I fussy cut the birds out that came in the kit. And then I popped this sunflower up that has, it's not in color, but we all know what color it is, right? This stuff here behind the bird was on the tag, and so was these 2 labels. And I just thought those birds were cute, and I wanted to get them involved. And so I wanted to get as many of the tags in here. There's way more tags than you see in this book in the kit. And yeah, you can have tags for the next several months for your journals. There's so many. And there's a lot of creative ways to do it. You should go watch all of Tracie's videos and Artie Mays' videos. And I'll link them both ladies below. And here on this side, I decided to do the mushrooms from the kit. Added a little bit of cheesecloth. This label and this label were already on the kit, or tag, I mean. And this blue stencil look was already on the tag, and this little bitty bumblebee. And so there was mushrooms, and of course I popped one up and left one down, and here's this circle. On this side, we have amazing every day is what it says. And I kind of decided to do it mostly mushrooms also, since we had this. So this was from one of the two, and this was from one of the other. I mean, I can't remember which one's which, who has which mushrooms, but either way, they're all cool. So on this page it has 1 back here, 2, 3, and 4 tags. Okay, this little tag has this here. There's a lot of little tags, and there are a lot of medium size and a lot of large. You'll not run out. And then 2 mushrooms here, and another tea card that's in the kit. And I fussy cut one of the butterflies and popped his wings up. On this side, you'll get to see some samples of other things in the kit. Of course, we can't ignore the tags. They're the main focal point here. Back here is this tag, and it comes all the way down here. Has a label right here, and then I added this little label. Live and dream is what I'm telling the birds and butterflies. Put this 94 on here. I just like the looks of it. This little tag right here, and again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 tags on here. It has all these labels on it. It has this one here that has cheesecloth behind it. And this one has these cool little florals. It says P.O. Box 234. So, and everything is stitched so cool, okay? Like I can even tell on some of the stitching that it looks pretty rugged, you know. Over here on the right side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tags again. And I've included this little tiny tag that was in the embellishment portion, and this floral. Added this little flower on this tag. These were already on it. It's got green tones. See this 15? That's part of this tag here that has these 3 bees. And this right here has definitely got some mixed media on it. And it says, follow your dreams. So I popped up this tag, and this little tag, and the follow your dreams. And I love the way this one, I didn't show you over here, these butterflies. Look at that butterfly, how beautiful it is. Great designers. Okay, so over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tags. And a bird's picture's popped up, and a mushroom picture popped up. And anything else you see is part of a tag. I tried to do them by groupings that look good. I played with them a lot. Here I wanted to display all the butterflies that come in the kit. And this card, this is actually a part of the card, and so is this white label. This 22 came out of the kit, and then this tab came out of the kit also. So we got 4 butterflies that are popped up and look like they're going to fly off the page. On this other side of this, on the other side of that tag is I put this ruler, or really it's a, what do you call them? Until I don't really sew, measuring tape. And I popped up these 4 little birds that were circles, put on one of their labels, and it says fly darling fly. These labels here are part of this book, and she stenciled some alphabet on there. It's just beautiful. Here on the next to the last page is 2 tags, and then I just used all the people in the tags. This tag right here had this stitching, and I just put this picture in the stitching. I cut it shorter and made it work exactly inside that stitching, and I love the way that turned out. And just added all the women by themselves on this type. 2 women, little girl. And here's this gentleman. It says, always remember, do not bend. Here's a grouping of pictures, and it says, you are loved. So all these goodies come in the kit. Okay, so you can do all kinds of things with them on your tags. This back page and last page has 4 tags, which is pretty much what I did so you could see them better. This one's done out of a graph paper with these blue letters and numbers. This comes on it, and this label down here comes on it. On here I put just breathe. You know, you kind of feel that way sometimes, right? We have some butterflies and bird and florals on this page. These 2 florals are part of the kit. This bird is. Look at this little tag here with the calendar, the letter M. It's got kind of a variety of things on it. And on this side, we have popped up this flower. Put one of the numbers here, which is 32. Put a butterfly on the label that is actually on the tag. Did a butterfly here, popping his wings up. And I just put this label by 5/87/28. Whatever that means, right? So you guys, I hope that you enjoyed getting to see a glimpse of just some of the tags and embellishment that come in Andrea and Tracie's kits. So you can, you go to each one and you can watch them show you different designs that they're doing with the tags, and they're wonderful. So I'm going to link both Tracie and Andrea below for their Etsy shop, and also I'll put the name down below. It's probably tags or something. I remember seeing it. I have the worst memory on stuff like that. So if you like this book of tags, just contact me and I will get it out to you. Okay? I'm not going to list it in Etsy because it's not an actual journal, but I'll probably sell it if someone contacts me. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope you'll run right over to Tracie's and Andrea's Etsy shops and look at both the kits and see how they compare and how they look like one person did them. The 2 of them get together and make kits a lot. So you're gonna get tags that are from 2 very talented ladies. So I'll see you in the next video. Watch for next month and see what I've got up my sleeve. Bye-bye.